Alright. So, back with another video tayo mga kaibigan. Ito pala yung pinakamahal. Have you ever searched, no? Kung ano yung pinaka-expensive, pinakamahal na laptop sa buong mundo. There are so many expensive na kinabibiliban natin, kakaiba, and very mahal mga kaibigan. And kailanman, kung ako lang ang tatanungin, hindi natin to kayang i-purchase on our own. So naka-ready na rin yung ating pang-math, pang-solve natin kasi nakadolyar yung presyo nito. Walang iba mga kaibigan kundi number one. Ito yung I've done multiple researches, I've visited different links, and nandito yung pinaka listahan din mga kaibigan, top 10 most expensive laptops in the world. So ang pag-uusapan lang natin yung pinaka number one, at syapwera na yung the rest. Pero ang dami as in talaga. Number 1 mga kaibigan, MJ Swarovski and diamond studded notebook worth 3.5 million US dollars. Let's do the math. 3,500,000 US dollars times 58 pesos. What the fuck is that shit? That's 203 million pesos worth of laptop. Can you imagine that? Syempre diamond studded. Details: MJ Swarovski and diamond studded MacBook. So MacBook siya mga kaibigan, remains the most vital laptop in recorded existence. It is the recent addition to the Ukrainian craft studio MJ's splendid, specially trained accoutrements assorted. The aggregate amount is indeed the most of 1,000 white and pitch black precious gems. Ito na rin mga kaibigan yung diamonds, no? Scattered across the laptop and touchpad. So, whoa. The lavish laptop's face is usually decorated with bullion, di ko alam yan, information, and it is ideal for individuals who value buzz. The computer comes with a 10 guarantee. Tignan natin pa yung ibang mga sites dito. Hindi yan, believe it or not mga kaibigan, yan ay nakalagay dyan. Ganyan ang itsura niya. Diamond studded, which makes it the most expensive mga kaibigan. Ultimately, MJ's Swarovski and diamond studded notebook has taken over the crown of the most expensive laptop for having a ridiculous price tag of 3.5 million. That is US dollars. Check pa natin yung images nyo dito. Diyan yung pinaka main. Whoa. So diamond studded. Ikaw ba naman yan, no? Diba sa isang butil pa lang ng diamante, sinasabi nilang big time ka na or malaki na yung halaga nun. How much more pa kaya yan na nababalutan? 200 million pesos. Shit. See you next time.